In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube Shorts video in 1080 by 1920, from uploading clips to exporting an MP4. We'll go step by step so you can follow along confidently and end up with a clean, vertical video ready to post. First, create a new design and choose the YouTube Shorts preset at 1080 by 1920. This sets your canvas to a vertical 9:16 aspect ratio, which is exactly what Shorts requires. Starting with the correct size prevents black bars and awkward cropping later, and it ensures your visuals fill the phone screen the way viewers expect. Next, upload your clips and drag them onto the canvas. Arrange them in the order you want your story to unfold. If a clip was filmed horizontally, you can scale or crop it so it fills the frame without important details getting cut off. Keep faces, text, and key actions centered to avoid being covered by on-screen elements in the YouTube app. Now, move to the timeline to trim. Pull the ends of each clip to tighten the pacing and split clips wherever you need to remove pauses, mistakes, or dead space. Short-form content rewards clarity and speed, so aim for quick, purposeful cuts. If you're combining multiple angles or moments, use splits to make transitions feel intentional and keep the energy up. Add text to reinforce your message. Keep it concise, high contrast, and easy to read on a small screen. Position captions or titles away from the very bottom and top edges so they don't collide with platform UI. To make it more dynamic, animate the text. Simple fades, slides, or pop-ins work well. Enough movement to catch attention without distracting from what's on screen. Set the timing so text appears right when it's relevant and doesn't linger too long. Add music to bring your short to life. Choose a track that suits the mood and won't overshadow your voice or key sounds. Adjust the volume so dialogue remains clear. Lower the music slightly under speech, and use gentle fade-ins and fade-outs to polish transitions. Always preview with headphones to catch any harsh peaks or clashes. Generate captions next. Auto captions provide a great starting point, but review them for accuracy, punctuation, and timing. Clear, well-timed captions improve retention and accessibility, especially since many viewers watch with sound off. Finally, download your video as an MP4. Keep the resolution at 1080 by 1920 and confirm the export looks smooth and sharp. That's it. Your YouTube short is ready to share.